Hello and welcome to today's class. Today our objective is to learn about quantifiers plus nouns. The quantifiers that we're going to study are more, less, and fewer in combination with nouns. What are quantifiers? Quantifiers are adjectives or phrases that we normally use to answer two possible questions. How many when we're talking about a countable noun? How much when we're talking about uncountable nouns? Examples of quantifiers are a few, a little, much, many, must. When we talk about nouns, it is very important to consider that we have two big families: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the things that we can count. They have a singular and a plural form. For example, a tree, two trees. We can use them with a singular verb or a plural verb. Like, for example, the book is old or the books are old. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, are the things that we can't count. They have only one form. There is no plural. For example, butter. We cannot say butters. Uncountable nouns always use a singular verb. For example, sugar is sweet. When using uncountable nouns, we don't normally use the article a, an, or a number before them. For example, it's not correct to say a rice, a bread, or to rice. Uncountable nouns are often abstract ideas. These are the things that we can't touch, like love or freedom. Liquids and gases, like water or milk. They are usually made of smaller parts, like sugar or rice. When we refer to materials, like wood or glass. When we're talking about some food that is cut into small parts, like bread or fish. And be very careful. Uncountable nouns in English include these exceptions, okay? These nouns are always singular. Furniture, advice, work, news, information, luggage, and money. Let's take a look at how we use more, less, and fewer. When we're talking about countable nouns, we use more or fewer. For example, I get more calls than you do. You get fewer calls than I do. Uncountable nouns use the quantifiers more or less. For example, you spend more time on the phone or you spend less time on the phone. We can also use these quantifiers with verbs. For example, she talks more than he does or he talks less than she does. As you can see, when we're talking about countable or uncountable nouns, the quantifier goes before the noun. Let's practice quantifiers and nouns. Look at this picture. I have less money this year than last year. People are buying fewer books these days. Coca-Cola Zero is less sweet than Coca-Cola Original. 7 is more than 3. 3 is less than 6. Jack has more insects than Alex. Alex has less insects than Jack. Remember, quantifiers are words that are used to state a quantity. They answer the question how many and how much. Quantifiers can be used with plural, countable nouns, or uncountable nouns, and in some cases with both. Thank you very much for watching.